Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, and a soldering iron. It's important to work in a well-lit area for visibility. Start by unplugging your Vorwerk VK140 from the electrical outlet. Safety is a priority, so make sure the device is completely powered off. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the lower housing of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Set them aside carefully in a small container to prevent losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the lower housing off to expose the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the interior for any dust buildup. Use a soft brush or a cloth to clean the area, as this will ensure that your vacuum continues to perform optimally. Now, locate the cable assembly. You will see where the cable connects to the motor. Carefully note how the existing cable is routed and connected. If you're unsure, you might want to take a picture for reference later. Using your wire cutters, cut the old cable as close to the connection point as possible. Next, prepare your new compatible cable for installation. Strip the ends of the cable to expose the wires. You will typically find 3 wires: live, neutral, and ground. If you don't have the tools for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't need to worry about how to transport your vacuum. Now, solder the ends of the new cable to the corresponding terminals on the motor. Be sure to connect live to live, neutral to neutral, and ground to ground. After soldering, use electrical tape to secure the connections and prevent any short circuits. With the new cable securely attached, carefully routed back through the casing just as the old cable was arranged. This step is crucial to ensure that the cable does not get pinched when you reassemble the vacuum. Next, replace the lower housing of the vacuum. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Tighten each screw gently but firmly, ensuring the housing is snug and there are no gaps. Before testing your vacuum, double-check that all screws are tightened and that the cable is not exposed or pinched. Plug the vacuum back into the electrical outlet. If everything is connected properly, turn it on and test it to ensure it's functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if you're unsure, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. Finally, make sure to store your tools properly and keep your vacuum cleaner clean for optimal performance. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your device. If you need more assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.